Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a photo design using just your mobile. We will start with the photos and turn to into a clean sketching design. Click on stroke option, enable button down, change the color, select the color, click the sticker, select the sticker, background remove, eraser color, enable button down, adjust the sticker, click the color option, change the color, select the color. Thanks for watching and see in next tutorial.